Hello, my Nigeria people where they stay for Italy. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. Today I get two messages from two important people about what did happen for Italy. I feel say our Nigeria people una get to know. The first one I won't play now from the president of the Nigerian community where they for Napoli here. His name is Mr. Mike Omeliko. So my Nigerian people wanna listen and listen very carefully. Okay?
My name is Mike Omeliko, the president of the Nigerian community Campania region here in Napoli. This is a difficult time for all of us because of the coronavirus infection. But permit me to use this medium to reach out to all citizens living in the provinces of Napoli, Caserta, Benevento, Salerno, and Avellino to inform them of the new law issued by the president of Campania region, Mr. Vincenzo De Luca. Mr. Vincenzo De Luca, with the ordinance number 20 of 22nd March, has further restricted the movement of individuals. Individuals are bound to move from one commune to another, and similarly, they are banned from moving from other regions into the regions of Campania. Any movement must be highly motivated for the purpose of work or health reasons. Individuals in transit from one commune to another or from other regions to the region of Campania must be accompanied with a self-declaration. Individuals who refuse to abide by the law are punishable by the Penal Code Article 650, or we call for a fine of 206 euros. Individuals traveling by train alighting at the stations of Napoli, Afragola, Salerno, Caserta, Benevento, Battipaglia, Avessa, and also Vallo della Lucania, Sapri, and Eboli will be screened. Such individuals must report their presence to the local authority or the health officials or their family doctors on arrival. In addition, these individuals must always be reachable. Nevertheless, these individuals are liable and must be in self-quarantine for 14 days. A breach of any of these conditions is punishable by law according to the Article 650 of the Penal Code. My fellow citizens, at this point, I will urge you all to please remain at your stations. Avoid any traveling. The community urges all her citizens to contact the local authority for any clarification. In alternative, contact any of the community representatives for further clarification. Thank you, my fellow citizens, for your attention. Bye-bye.
I think when I hear the message, no need for me to talk too much. That message now from the president of the Nigerian community where they for Campania region for Napoli, Mr. Mike Omeliko. Mr. Mike Omeliko, on behalf of the Nigerians living in Campania, we say thank you for taking your time out to give us that message. You know, the PR are free of charge. Now they do one to inform our people about the laws. You know, say if it never happened to you, it is a law no day. Until it happened to you, they will quote those laws to you for you. Okay? So the second one we are going to play again. Now, the one from our Nigerian lawyer here for Italy, for Napoli, Barrister Hilary Sedu. That is Avocado Hilary Sedu. He don't help us since. He don't explain many things to us. You know, this legal matter now, this law matter, we know they know him. Even though we listen to television, even though we see the paper, all the decree, all the decreto, all the ordinance, that they bring come. If it says it's long, we know they feel the capisci niente. We know they feel capisci niente. So they try, Avocado Hilary plus Nigerian community president for a year, they try to break the message down. Make we understand them, okay? Anyway, you don't understand, you yourself, you get your lawyer, go ask your lawyer or call your lawyer. The way they camp, ask your lawyer or ask people. We just be giving information so that I go there aware of what they happen around for Italy here, and now I'll take benefit now. Okay, make I play Avocado Hilary video now, audio message. Make una listen.
So all the foreigners in Napoli and Italy, especially those in Napoli, I just want to tell you all that the Italian government has placed 4.3 billion euro to help families, both the Italians and the foreigners, especially those in Napoli. You should all know that the mayor of the city is going to give 300 euro per family to get and buy food items due to this coronavirus situation. And more for this, the 300 euro per family, all those people who have been having difficulties in their jobs, that did not do declaration of income for the last year, and even those who ask and seek for asylum can benefit from this. So it's going to be 300 euro per family, plus 20 euro increase for each child you have that is from 0 to 12 months. Know this, and so please, I'm going to send attached to this voicemail a communication from the mayor and a list of supermarkets who are going to be a list of supermarkets indicated by the administration. God bless you all.
Okay, my people, I'm not here for Avocado Hilary Sedu. Avocado Hilary Sedu, thank you so much. Grazie. Thank you so much on behalf of all the Nigerians, so you don't help since with information where you don't give them free of charge. We say thank you for taking your time out. Both Mr. Michael Meliko, all the services where you don't render for Nigerians here for Campania region, that is for Napoli, we say thank you so much. You, in a nutshell, Avocado Hilary say, Italian government, they don't bring out 4.3 billion, not be million, they don't have plenty money, billion euro. They see they don't share out to every place for Italy. That is, if you're there for Napoli, the governor for Napoli, that is the mayor, they don't give her own. That one now go give her to commune. Then commune now go know as you want to share the money. Hey, that one you go get the money, but that one a long process. Anything we get to do with paper, before this one go sign, before that one go sign, before they carry the paper go here, before you yourself carry it go there, do this one, do that one. Hey, arrivederci, buongiorno. But anyway, the good thing be say, when I get to know say that they share 300 euros per family, even if you be asylum seeker, they go see share the money with you. You understand? To even add pepper join and see what they talk. They say if you get Pekin or Momo, that is Momo will be 0 to 12 months. That is, it could just be Momo, you just newly born Amo, but never past 12 months. They go add 20 euro join that one. So Organo, 300 euros plus 20 euros for you, that's 320. It's not bad like that now. You understand? Then another thing, they say, not be every supermarket if you even use the money. Take go. By the time you get the money, Avocado just let us know now, say, according to the law, not be all the supermarkets, you will use the money to buy things, not be every supermarket. So I go attach to this video a list of the supermarkets where you go go buy things when you don't get the money. Okay? That is all the message for now. And if you not remember anything or when I hear any message again, wanna let me know, because my ear not fit everywhere. As of last week or so, people don't start to carry rumors say government say they not pay rent. Now lie, oh, government not talk anything like that. People they talk say government say they not pay rent, or they not pay water bill, they not pay light bill. I take go beguna. Government never talk like that. We yesterday they discuss them, but they never agree. As soon as they come say na so it go be, I go come tell you now. If na first hear the message, Mona Kosi tell me tomorrow we'll talk and make everybody for here. Okay? I hope I not say they don't postpone what do they call it? Listen, 3rd of April, that is tomorrow. Now they because we go stay house which they don't postpone until 14th of April. The same will still continue to stay for house. So now only God will help us. And also I want to use this opportunity to tell some people say I get small association, what they call Vive la Vive Initiative Association. What will they do? They say, will they help people? Will they help people? Like what will they do now? Will they give information out? Nobody they pay me now free of charge. Now one of the things from our association they do, we see they gather money to buy food and small toiletries like a toothpaste, so disinfectant, hand sanitizer, global, what they call them? Like boy need with the buy them. Small things like this, so you know say they important. When you self when they watch me, they use for house. But time I we gather this money, we use and they buy them for people. People who really need help this time, we could help them. Even as at last week, somebody even called me, tell me, say, baby no get pamper, say baby don't shit full everywhere. You understand? People they pass through a lot now. Someone could learn to be a border skipper. I go put the link join this video. If you say get small change when you want to help us, nothing too small. Put the money for inside. We go use and take help somebody who need help now. If me I put 100 euros, you put 20, another person put 50, another person put 500. The money never be big like that. Then anybody will get help. If you say help the person, if you stay for far place and you need help, if we get the money inside our account, so if we send you from postpay, if we send the money to you, no need to come here because you know say government say no they move anyhow. And if you get to move that paper, I will see attach the paper again for here. You go fill that form, self-declaration, tell them where you they go. If now food you won't go buy, tell them say you won't go buy food. If now work you they go, tell them say you they go work. Now say your work they important because nurses they work, doctors they work. Even at the same way no worker, people see the worker, people will get important things to do. Even the supermarket where you won't go buy something and people they work there. So some people see they go out small. You understand? So you go fill that paper, put on for your pocket. In case they ask you, stop you, you show them that paper. If you sabi school well, they even online, if you still fill the form online, I could send you the link. You fill them so that when they stop you for road, police stop you, carabineri, they stop you. If you open your phone, show them the paper. Or use your hand, copy them for another paper, put them for your pocket. All these things, be like they talk too much. But if they never catch you, your eye no go clear. You understand? So for today, now the news I get for today night be that one. If you get me, you let us know. And then go click this link, go to my association, go fund me, maybe you drop something. Nothing too small. If you there house, you get things so you know say people go need. Let me know too. But I will come pack them. Maybe you get plenty bag of rice, you get plenty tomatoes, you get oil, you get Maggi, you get salt, you get onions, anything at all where you get. So people need them. Just inbox me say you get something. Pampers, so you know anything at all you say people go need now. Because we get another 14 days to stay house. Though government don't say no we can collect money 300 euros. I think I know as they be for here. Everything a paperwork. So before some people will collect this money, so people go don't pay me. But you not go be our portion in Jesus' mighty name. Okay? So wanna take care, and I love you all. Stay safe. That's what is more important. Take care now. Bye-bye.